أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب زدني علما. رب زدني علما. رب زدني علما.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Practice set 5.4. Your textbook page number 125. Sum number 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. Number 1. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. Second, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Number third, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. First, we are writing sample space for this experiment when two dice are rolled simultaneously. Simultaneously means together. So write first, when two dice are rolled, two dice are rolled simultaneously, that is together, right? Therefore, see, the sample space of this experiment is very big. First 1 1, then 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. Okay, likewise total 36 possibilities are there, means total 36 outcomes are there. So here first 1, now we are taking 2 in the next line, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, here 2 5, 2 6, now next 3 1, 3 1, then 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and the next is 3 6. Now write 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Now last line is remaining. See how big is the sample space. So write 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and the last 6 6. Here the outcomes are completed. Bracket complete say. Now write therefore n of s is equal to, that is number of sample points are 36. Okay. Now we'll write the events one by one and immediately we will find its probability. So the first event is the sum of the digits on the upper phases is at least 10. The sum of the digit on the upper phases means, for example, in this first outcome, the sum of the digit on the upper phases means 1 plus 1, 2. So likewise, we have to take the sum of these all the outcomes, and if the sum is 10 or more than 10. Why it is 10 or more than 10? Because the event is the sum is at least 10. At least 10 means it is 10 or greater than it. Okay, means the 10, 11 and the last sum of this outcome is only 12. Means 12 is the biggest sum. So we have to check the sum of the score on the upper phases, either 10, 11 or 12. So that points here we have to include in the A event. So right, A is the event, but here for that event name is not given. So we are giving the name. So we will start from let. So right, let the sum of the digit on the upper phases is at least 10. So write let A be the event. A be the event that the sum on the upper phases is at least 10. On the upper phases is at least 10. At least 10 means 10 or greater than it. Okay. So which are the points from that sample space we have to consider? We have to consider the points in that A event in which the sum of the score on upper phases is either 10, 11 or 12. So that numbers we have to include here. So where the sum is 10, 11 or 12, up till here we are getting 6 plus 3, 9. Here see 6 plus 4, 10. And here 5 plus 4, see 10, 11 and 12. So 6 plus 4, 10 will come. So write 4 and 6. After it, in this 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Here 5 and 6 also will come. 5 plus 6, 11, which is also greater than 10. Now 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 will come. Here 6 and 5, whose sum is 11. And the last one, 6 and 6, whose sum is 12. Okay. Check one more time. Here 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 5, 10. Then next line, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5 and 6 plus 6. So how many points are there? Here we are completing our bracket. So write therefore n of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 points are there in n of A. Means number of points in that A event are 6. Here we have to find now its probability. That is probability of the A event. So write therefore P of A. Therefore P of A means probability of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. N of A is 6 and n of S is 36. Here you can reduce it by 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 6 are 36. Understood? So it is the probability of the A event. What is probability of A event? 1 upon 6. Now we will write the next event in which the condition is the sum of the digit on the upper phases is 33. So write let B be the event of getting. Let B be the event of getting the sum of the digit on upper phases is 33. On upper phases is 33. Now here we have to find the sum of the score 33. So is there any possibility, is there any outcome in that sample space whose sum is 33? Not there, because here the biggest sum is only 6 plus 6, 12. There is no sum which is greater than 12. So biggest one is 12 only. Further 13 to 33 sums are not there. So here the biggest sum is 12 only. So here in this B event we have to write See how to write this event. There is no any possibility in that B event. So B event we will leave as empty set. Okay. So write B is the event of, here null will come. Null means empty, or it is also called as phi. Okay. So right now therefore n of B is equal to 0. Okay. Now write P of B, that is probability of B. So what will come its probability? Right here, therefore P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. What is n of B? 0. So 0 divided by 36. Understood? Now the next is C event. We have to write. In that C event, the condition is the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Okay. So write, let C be the event of getting. Let C be the event of getting, or write C be the event that the digit on the first die, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Greater than the digit on the second die. Understood the condition? So which points or which possibilities here we have to consider? We have to check whether the first number of these outcomes is greater than the second number or not. For example, here see in this outcome, here first number is greater. So 3, 1, 3, 2. Correct? 3 is greater than 1. Here 3 is greater than 2. Means the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Here first number represent the digit on the first die and second number represent the digit on the second die. And here the condition is the first number or the first digit is greater than that of the second. The digit on the first die is greater than that of the second. So here this point we can consider 3, 1, then 3, 2. Afterward 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. Means first number is greater than second. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5. Likewise, we have to take all these outcomes in the C event. So write C is the event of which I said first from that third line. Okay. First number is greater than that of the second. So here 2 and 1 also we can consider. So write 2 and 1 because 2 is greater than 1. Then from the next line 3 and 1. Afterward 3 and 2. Then in the next line 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Then next line 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. Now last line is 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5. Okay. Means here first number is greater than that of the second. The digit on the first die is greater than that of the digit on second die. So right therefore n of C means number of outcomes or number of points in the C event 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. There are total 15 possibilities in that C event. Means 15 possibilities are there in which first number is greater than that of the second. Now we will find its probability immediately after getting number of points. So right, therefore P of C, that is probability of C, is equal to N of C divided by N of S. So is equal to, what is N of C? N of C is 15 and N of S is 36. Here this both the numbers are divisible by 3. So write 3 5s are 15 and here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, means it is 5 upon 12. Got it? So it is the probability of the C event. Let's see one more time from the beginning. If you are having any problem, any difficulty, you can text me, okay, or write in the comment box.